people are probably driving by like, what the f?
Because they never expect it to be like a chick. It's like, no, it's my car, so.
All right, guys, coming in with round 2. We always love doing some corresponding demos like this. Nick Sutton, we actually just uploaded his video on our main channel, and it got pretty good views on it. Yes, he's got his MTX sub, same old setup, but a different design. Tell us a little bit what you got here.
6th order, 17 cubes on the top, and 13 cubes in the bottom, tuned to 25. And the back ports are 8-inch Aeroports, big ass ports, 25 inches long, on still the same 1.5K, so we're still low on power. I already broke my door latch. I had to get it rewelded. I broke it all the way completely off. It's doing a lot better in the last box. It gets down. Can't forget this idea that I got from you.
Yeah, it looks like it worked good for you.
I think this song's around 25. So
25?
Somewhere in there.
I forgot you're about those low notes.
Yeah, it plays highs too, but it likes lows a whole lot better.
And that's a pretty common trait for most setups, not just 6th orders. Whether it be too high or too low for preference, they can be harder to dial in. That's why for these setups, round ports, Aeroports, make things a heck of a lot easier. Make them longer, tuned deeper, make them shorter, tuned higher. I'm sure he had himself a grand old time, so let's hop back inside for another bass demo, shall we? Hell yeah, dude. Now that's what I'm talking about, fellas. Unabashed, top of the class bass demos. You know, I really love it when an owner of a system just let's loose like Nick does, singing the song, digging the music. When you're sitting next to someone like that, you really can't help but feel good. And you know what else feels good? Saving cash on car audio, baby. Use code EXO at Showtime and help support the channel by getting all the things that you love. Amplifiers, batteries, subs, speakers, you name it, we've got it. As you can see, the warehouse is stocked full of goodies that you and I both love to enjoy. We got kicker, a dyer, old school stuff, new school stuff, something for just about everybody. So, showtime it is. Be sure to stay on the lookout. Thanks for supporting the channel, guys.
My name is Kaitylin, and I have a Zv4 18 with a Leib Recone, has the Zv5 Spider, the Mega Roll V2. I literally just got it reconed and everything. When I first started, it was just an X18 and SAZ 3500.
And I like the interior.
Of course, I had to keep it purple. Purple's my favorite color. Because they never expect it to be like a chick, then they'll be like, oh my god, turn it up.
And are you pretty much the only girl here?
There's like maybe one or two, but I haven't really seen them like give out demos or anything. Usually it's like the guy that's giving out the demos. It's like, no, it's my car, so.
How about we get a little listen to this thing, huh?
Up on all my squad, ho, I rode life like Pablo. It's in the hall on the first day, get on wild.
Yeah, that's not bad for a point A to point B system.
Right?
Everywhere you go, you can play bass. And you're turning heads while you're doing it because your hat's just probably reflected in the sunlight like this. People are probably driving by like, what the f***?
Usually the spoilers, the hatch will be like moving a little bit, spoilers like all the way moving.
Yeah, gonna be creating a little strobe light down Route 77, that's for damn sure. Well, it's really cool to see a girl with a sound system, so slap a big fat thumbs up for our lady, what's your name?
Caitlin.
Caitlin, and her single 18, doing it nice up here at Slapfest. Oh yeah! Ah, what a show, what a show. Florida memories making me miss all that hot sun. Caitlin is definitely holding it down though. That sub was flexing. So let's wrap up today's demos with a quick update on everything else. Had to take a break over the holidays to visit family up in Maine. Was bittersweet, really. Took another weekend to go to Tennessee right after that, looking for new places to live, because we are getting there in what, another 6 months? Oh my gosh, time is flying by. So it's just been a really hectic past few weeks. 252 Customs took some time to catch up on some more gigs, another steel cage, some ported boxes, etc. So with everything winding down now, I should be back in the shop within the next couple of weekends. In the meantime, I'm teaching myself how to weld. I bought a Lincoln Electric multi-process, portable work stand, and all the supplies to watch plenty of tutorials. Everybody's always saying to invest in yourself and look toward the future, so that's exactly what this is. Learning how to weld will help me in a lot of different areas, not just car audio and big exo steel cages. I like doing side projects, DIY stuff, and being able to lay a quality bead or two is definitely on the top of my list for things to learn. So I'm doing what I gotta do, go in the right direction to further myself, learn more stuff. This is really exciting, and I'm not cutting any corners either because I dropped some money on the good stuff, not this Harbor Freight like last time, because I have, you know, a little bit of experience with that with Edward Lester. He ended up leaving his welder. I have a little bit of experience trying that, but the power, the lack of power, it was so difficult to actually join two pieces of metal. Come on, baby. Ready. Damn. I would just be left with these cold little chunks sitting on the outside layer. So I'm really happy to get this high power penetration, 240 volts. Thanks for the encouragement to all the people who are like, man, you know, EXO's going places, and it's like, man, yeah, this feels great. I'm trying to do things legit and go right along learning with the process. So thanks for being here, guys. It means a lot to me. Thanks for shopping at Showtime. Oh man, I've been getting lots of great messages from people saying that, you know, there's a lot of stuff that they love to get there. So we're always trying to boost our numbers and, you know, get more stuff out there. So hit us up in the comments with what you'd like to see or things that you're looking forward to. And until then, this is EXO signing out with another dynamic duo of some basses and some demos there. I'm tongue twisted already, so I will call it a good one, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for shopping at Showtime. This is EXO signing out.